Hello beauties, it's Ellie from the Forever Beauty app, and today we're gonna do a little something with these babies. You might be thinking, those are spoons, but this is if you don't have a Gua Sha or jade roller, you can still do these massages with things you have at home.
Proper breathing can help improve your results, so be sure to follow the breath bar.
We are going to put the spoons on the masseter muscles and begin to go in a circular motion. We're using light to medium pressure here. With the back of the spoon and light pressure, we're going to do a sweeping motion across the upper cheekbones. With the back of the spoons, we are going to use light pressure and lift upwards in a sweeping motion. Make sure to be gentle here.